Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Jaki Ahtera Samir. I come from class 1C Sistem Informasi. In this video, I wanna talk about Indonesian versus Bahrain. Indonesian versus Bahrain perspective and opinions. This presentation examines the complex issue of Indonesian versus Bahrain, exploring various perspectives and opinions from the Indonesian public, tenants, and the Indonesian football community. This presentation also examines the impact of the match between Indonesia and Bahrain on the public and the national team itself, as well as the potential effectives of current policies and progress change. Next, introduction and overview of the issue. The Indonesian versus Bahrain match drew strong public attention and further discussed about tactics, referee discussion, and team performance. Fans and analysts questioned the strategies used and noted emotional and physical expression on players. The result also encouraged deeper debate about player development, team management, and long-term plan to strengthen Indonesian competition in Asian football. Next, Indonesian versus Bahrain discussion topic. The Indonesian versus Bahrain match sparked discussion about the performance, tactical decision, and referee calls. Fans and analysts also highlight psychological factor, public reception, and the importance of improving youth development and long-term planning. Overall, the match encouraged broader reflection on the professionalism and future progress of Indonesian football. Next, positive impact. The match sparked high enthusiasm among Indonesian fans, reflecting strong support and national pride. The match served as a trigger for evaluation by the Football Federation, coaches, and players, which then called to long-term improvements in team performance and enhance fan experience. Impact to watch. Intense emotional reaction from fans can create psychological pressure for both players and supporters, effectively recruiting confidential referee discussion. Public dissatisfaction with the team's performance of the management may erode trust on the federation and national football system, affecting long-term fan morale. If the match does not lead to enable information, fans may feel frustrated of discount reducing support for the national team in the long run. Next, perspective from a national team's fan. From a national team fan's perspective, the Indonesian versus Bahrain match was full of the emotion and pride. Every moment on the field felt meaningful, showing the team's growth and the determination. Around three were tense and frustrating moments. Fans remained supported and hopeful, saying the match not just a result, but as a symbol of progress and national fan pride. Next, proposed policy change of initiatives to improve Indonesian football after the match against Bahrain. It is essential to strengthen youth development, enhance coach and referee quality, and apply sports tension and data analysis, increasing international friendly match, fostering a positive fan culture, and improving transparency and professionalism in football management are also key steps to ensure sustainable progress for the national teams. Next, strategies for effective implementation and enforcement. The implementation of policies in Indonesian soccer requires clear communication, education, and consistent enforcement. Communication in enforcement is a slow implement so that policies are accurate and effectively among other things. First, clear action plans and milestones. Develop related timeline, measurable goals, and clear responsible for each football development program to ensure secure execution. Second, capacity building and professional training. Provide continuous training for coaches, referee, and administration to ensure policies are implemented by qualified and competent personnel. Third, community and stakeholder engagement. involve supporters, parents, school, and local communities in improving positive football culture and supporting long-term development goals. Next, consolation. In consolation, the establishment of Indonesian soccer requires a concerted effort to implement soccer development, professionalism, and community involvement by strengthening youth development, improving the quality of coaches and referee, applying sports science, and maintaining transparency. Indonesia can build a more competitive soccer program. Solid community and consistent policy information will be key to achieving long-term success at the international level. Next, my opinions. In my opinions, improving Indonesian football requires not only better training and governance, but also a means shift from players to supporters. With proper management, transparency, and long-term planning, Indonesia can become a strong football nation in Asia. Prioritizing youth development, fair competition, and professionalism is essential when all sides work together and the community supports positive change. Indonesian football can grow and compete on the international stage. Next, the question word. The question word are interrogative words in English used to ask for specific information. This word help us understand clearer and more detailed answer, not just yes or no. Next, when to use the question word. We use question word when we want to ask for specific information, not just a yes or no answer. Question word help us get clearer details about who, what, when, where, why, and how something happens. For example, we use who to ask about profile, where to ask about place, when to ask about time, why to ask about reason, and how to ask about the way something happens. By using question word, we can get more detail and confidence in our answer. Next, use of question word. Three are several examples of the use of question word as follows. What? What are you doing? Who? Who is your best friend? Where? Where do you live? When? When is your birthday? Why? Why are you sad? How? How do you go to school? Which color do you like? Wash. Wash bag is this? Next, consolation. In consolation, question words are used to talk specific information in English. They help us find out information details such as profile, place, times, reason, and why something happens. By using question words correctly, we can communicate more clearly and get complete and meaningful answer.